the chain rule, example 3, and continuing on. So using chain rule for functions to a power. Okay, so we're going to go through this example here. It's slightly more tricky. So we've got y is equal to 1 on x cubed plus 1. Now, when we're differentiating, we still use that rule of thumb that we want to bring it up to the numerator where we can. So we can rewrite this as x to the 3 plus 1, or to the power of negative 1. You know, you go the denominator up to the numerator, make it a negative. Next, we can differentiate using our chain rule as a revision. Here's our chain rule showing up here, where we bring the n down, take off 1 of the power, keep the function the same in the bracket, then differentiate the function as well and multiply it. So here we go. dy by dx, bring the negative 1 down, keep the function the same, take 1 off the power, then times by the derivative of that function. So you should have 3x squared, like that. Now we can rewrite. I'm going to rewrite it as a positive indice. There we go. So that's our answer there. We differentiated, and yeah, it's more or less how we do that one. Now, I'm going to work through example D, and then I want you to have a go at the your turns on the right. Okay. So let's have a look at this next one. Another disguised power, you know, like we normally do when we differentiate, express it on the numerator, and if you've got square roots, cube roots, express it as a fractional power as well. Now we can differentiate. So switch to green, dy by dx, bring that half down, 2x plus 3, take 1 off the half there, so it becomes negative half, times by the gradient function of f of x, which becomes 2. Now let's clean that up. 2 times a half is 1, so you've got 1, then you've got 2x plus 3 to the negative half, and we can express this as this here. So there we go, we've got our answer. What I want you to do is have a go at these two examples here. So pause the video and press play when you are ready to go. So we're going to go through those examples now. So this one here, first step, express as a negative indice. Then we differentiate, take 1 off the power, then differentiate that function there. Okay. Next step is we times it like that, and we can practice expressing it as a positive indice, like that. Okay, there we go, we've done that one. Let's go on to the next one. Express this as a fractional power, half, then differentiate, take 1 off the power, and then differentiate inside. So x plus 1 just goes to 1. Now we can clean this up. We can go 1 on 2 lots of, and I'm going to express it as a square root as well, square root of x plus 1. There we go, we've finished our examples there. I hope you went well with those, and yeah, if you have any questions, you can always ask me in class, but hopefully this video is helpful, and in the next video, we'll be doing some more applications of chain rule. Thank you.